Okay, this is a third in a series of introductory videos, just kind of laying things out. So in the first video, we went over how to move things around, how to open files and whatnot, how to save things. In the second video, we looked at what hotkeys can do, and maybe kind of looked at the different tools in the toolbar just a little bit. How to add tools to the toolbar if they're not showing up already, how to change your units. So all that stuff was in video 2. Now we're in video 3. I'm going to show you how to make some specific folders and think about some strategies for saving your work for different design projects, saving versions and what that can mean, and various tabs, what they mean, and kind of environments. So where do we start? Let's say I want to make a new project. I can make a, let's see, how about we go 3x3 array, and we say new folder. We call this folder whatever we want. We could call it, I don't know, what's a good project? How about we call it Playground Project. And now if I open this, I can see there's nothing in it. I can make a new design, or I can save this design that I have going right now. Save it. Start. Playground Project, because I clicked on it, and so it's the active project. Okay. So because it's the active project, things are going to want to save in there. I'm going to go ahead and make a couple changes to this current project and save it as another version of itself. So how about this? How about we take sketch, what do we want? Not that face so much, whatever. Put a sketch on this face, and we'll just make a line right there. And finish the sketch. And let's try to, I don't know if we can do this, but revolve something from one sketch around another sketch. Axis is that. Oh yeah, it works. And so it's a new body. We'll say OK. Design turned from what it was a second ago to this thing, whatever. And I'm just going to hit save. And now this pops up. It says version description. So I can be like starter ideas, 2, maybe some kind of word like discs, whatever. Now I'll have that version saved separate from the other one. And when I go to open, I should be able to look through and see the different versions. Starter ideas. Different versions. Okay. How do we return to a different version? That's a good question. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. You got a good question, you can probably get an answer. The various tabs. So we're mostly going to live in Sketch and Solid mode. The only way to get into Sketch is to start a sketch. So when you start a sketch using this thing, it goes into Sketch mode. You can see Sketch wasn't there a minute ago, but now it is. So Sketch and Solid are the big ones, but there's some other ones you might want to get interested in. Number 1, Mesh. Mesh allows you to take other people's files from online and drop them in. And there might even be a way to insert manufacturer's parts over here. So we could insert a McMaster-Carr component. It takes us to McMaster-Carr, which, if you don't know, McMaster-Carr is this huge online hardware store. And you can get any kind of hardware you need, right? But we can look at drill bushings, let's say, click on one. Download the SolidWorks. What else do they have besides SolidWorks? Step file would work. IGES might work. DXF would give you a 2-dimensional drawing of it. I'm going to try to click on the step file and download it. See what happens. Oh, there it is. That was quick. That was super quick. And now I've got an exact bushing that you would buy from McMaster-Carr. Just like that. And guess what? There's screws, there's bolts, there's hinges, there's everything, man. Like, everything's got CAD with it, right? So you can you don't have to necessarily make everything, and you can get high quality stuff just by inserting stuff into your work. Let's go back to solid mode and see if you can insert it there too, because I don't think that's just simply a mesh thing. No, you can do it in solid mode or in mesh. But mesh lets you do things like take STLs off the web and insert them. So I want to see if any STLs insert a mesh. And so I'll just look around my computer somewhere. We got Kirby frog. I'll insert one of these. There he is. Pepe the frog. He's looking good. So I can incorporate that into a design. Now you'll see what a mesh is it's just a three-dimensional solid that's covered in all these little triangles. And the more triangles there are, the harder it is to edit it, modify it. So that's some stuff to think about. I think you go down here to convert mesh, click on that, and make it a base feature. Just do organic. Okay.